Do you have a clear vision or an objective behind the shots that you're about to make? Well, if you don't, then it's about time you pick up this good habit. Let's go. Have you ever wondered why is it so difficult for you to maintain a long rally? Are you facing difficulties in maintaining your offensive formation? If you do, then here are some of the suicide shot selections you must learn to avoid. And now, the remedies. Great news! Our B team is now 10,000 strong. Yes! And with the arrival of this 10,000 milestone, YouTube have given us a shop space. take a moment now to share with you my thoughts behind designing these battlefield armors. Our right brain, which promotes creativity, perfectly fits my teachings. Therefore, I designed this unique brain emblem along with artistic calligraphy, 孙子兵法, which translates into Sun Tzu's Art of War. And this shall serve to remind us of the importance of unleashing our creativity on court. I hope all of you can give me your full support. Your support would really mean a lot to the channel. I look forward to your purchase and see you guys soon. Bye.